How to go live on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without today, let's get started. So in order to go live on Instagram, first of all launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So here you can simply see the option of post, story, reel. Now we do not have the option of live over here. So let us just drag it and we can see there's no option of live. So we can now simply go back and launch the Play Store application just to make sure we have an updated version of Instagram application. So let's just search for Instagram over here and search for it. So as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So it shows that this particular live option is not available for this particular device over here on my phone. So that might be the reason, because we do not have much of followers as you look into my profile as well. So that might be the case as well, but generally that's where you find it. You can just tap on plus icon and you can just see the live option right over here as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.